Good afternoon, Anna.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm Anna Labi. I'm a plain housewife. I have one kid turning 14 this coming July. My husband working in innovative group as a visual merchandiser. I am hardworking. I am willing to work as a housemaid in your country.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I want to work like a housemaid because I know I can save my money, and unlike a skilled worker that they are giving you the money, but you are the one responsible for everything. So I like housemaid, ma'am.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I like Malaysia because I didn't try this country. I already tried in Middle East.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I am qualified for this job because I know how to work as a household course, like cooking, like how to care baby, and even old person I can handle also. And I know that I am hardworking also in myself.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I am college graduate, BS Com Science.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
I'm working abroad for 4 years in Abu Dhabi. At first, my work is a senior sales consultant. Then we are serving people, we are serving customer, and we are also doing cashiering. And after 6 months, we are you are the boss of that department. And if there's newcomers, you need to teach them also.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what place and how many years you work for?
I'm working in UAE, Abu Dhabi, in 4 years.
Okay. Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, I have experience, ma'am, because I have kids, so I am the one who care my baby before.
Okay. How about elderly people? Do you have experience of
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
care?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience of taking care for old person because my father brother before he is sick, then no one is taking care of him because it's very far for them the hospital. So the hospital is near with us, so I am the one who take care of my uncle.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
I know how to cook. I
Mm-hmm.
know how to uh, I know how to wash clothes. Then I also know how to operate computer.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing to work new skill.
Okay. Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing to work with any family in that home.
Okay. Currently, are you still working now?
Right now, I don't have work, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
A Filipino food, ma'am.
Okay. Like what?
Like ceviche, tinola, and everything. If there is also recipe, I can do it, ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
I like cooking.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kid?
My husband, ma'am.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
The agency told me that the salary is 1,200 ringgit.
Okay. What is the two rules agency have fixed in Malaysia?
There is no cell phone and there is no. Actually, I forgot, but there is no cell phone, and if you will not, if something happened to your family, You need to finish the contract.
Okay, so you don't have cell phone and no off day.
Yes, ma'am, that's the one.
Okay. How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay. Can you describe for me your ethics?
I'm hardworking, I'm honest and loyal.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I can assure you because even though the job is already finished for the working hours, if the employer want me to work at the existing hours, I can do it, ma'am,
Oh,
for them only.
okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am, I promise not to do that.
Okay. Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Okay, ma'am, I promise not to do makeup and other things.
Okay. Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
I promise, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yeah, I promise, ma'am.
Okay. Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yeah, I understand the rules and regulations.
Okay. Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am, I'm medically fit.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Anna. We have
Yes,
finished our question section. Let's go to case
thank you,
study.
ma'am.
I have two case studies for you and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, number one. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I will continue to finish my contract, ma'am.
Okay,
If ever there is a happening to my family, I need to continue because I just send money to them only.
Okay, number two. Once you reach Malaysia, let's say if you don't like to work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anna. What do you
Yes.
want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
Hi, ma'am. I'm Anna Labi. Please include me to your list for choosing the housemaid. I promise to work in your company, in your home, and I will do my best for the good of your family.
Okay, thank you very much, Anna. We will
Thank
update to your
you.
agency if there's any selection made by the employer.